Plants are masters of their environment. They can't move, but they can make molecules to protect themselves. For example, they make a class of molecules called carotenoids that function as sunscreens. We humans can use these molecules to protect our eyes. And there are countless other examples from the plant kingdom that we humans can also use, such as flavin-threols for heart and metabolic health. Plants don't always make these compounds, and they certainly don't make them for us. As those famous musical philosophers Outkast once said, you can plant a pretty peony, but you can't predict the weather. But what if you could predict how plants responded to stress and in turn get them to make the molecules that we humans are most interested in? I'm going to tell you how we use our collaboration with Ginkgo Bioworks to do just that. We start off very simply. We start off with plant parts. We take a part of the plant, we put it onto a media that allows the cells to re-enter the cell cycle, and that forms what's called a callus. We then put that callus into a suspension culture. We can then break the suspension culture up into what we call a parameter matrix and test it against a variety of different conditions. The way that we test that is using primary screens internally. But we can also walk our samples right upstairs to Ginkgo Bioworks, who will help us by running transcriptomics experiments to help us understand which genes are being expressed in response to stress, and run metabolomics experiments that tell us which molecules are being made in response to stress. And we take this information and we can revise the cell, we can revise the media, and we can revise the process to improve the productivity. We do a quick check of our productivity, and we end up with a cell line, a process, and a media group that we can use for months and years to come. So in short, Ginkgo really helps us understand what's going on inside the cell, from epigenetics all the way down to phenomics. But we don't stop there. We use that information that we get from Ginkgo Bioworks to develop innovative ingredients that we can put into consumer packaged goods to make them more nutrient dense. So imagine you have a delicious bowl of mac and cheese. What if we could put carotenoids in there to increase the nutrient density and protect our eye health? And what if we could do that without changing the taste and the flavor profile? Well, I want to invite you all to join us at the bar to taste a couple of our prototypes. We have a mandarin spice immune support made with our Echinacea plant cell advantage. We also have a blue patch antioxidant boost with dog rose plant cell advantage. And please come find us. We'd love to talk to you more about our technology and about our products. My name is Weslee Glenn. I'm with Ayana Bio. Thank you for your time.